Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of embedding videos and other media into your teamwork.com projects. First things first, let's navigate to the project where you want to embed the media. The reason we do this is because each project in teamwork.com acts as a separate workspace, so it's crucial to start from the right project to ensure the media lands in the right place. Now that we're in the project, look for the Messages tab. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This tab is where you can create content-rich posts to communicate with your team, and it's precisely where we'll be embedding our media. Click on it, and then select New Message. Next up, in the New Message window, you'll see a formatting toolbar. This is where the magic happens. You can add text, images, and most importantly for us today, videos and other media. So let's go ahead and click on the Insert button. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Video. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to input the URL of the video you want to embed. Input the URL, click Insert, and voila, your video is embedded. This helps us because embedding videos directly into your teamwork.com projects enhances communication and collaboration, providing a seamless experience for your team to view and discuss content without leaving the platform. But what about other media? The process is almost identical. Instead of choosing video from the Insert drop-down menu, you'll select the appropriate option for the media type you want to embed, like audio or document. Let me explain why this matters. By embedding different types of media directly into your teamwork.com projects, you're maximizing the platform's potential and creating a more interactive and engaging workspace for your team. In conclusion, embedding videos and other media in teamwork.com is a straightforward process that offers substantial benefits for team collaboration and communication. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep making the most out of your teamwork.com experience.